This is my MP3 of 90s, what I use. Oh yeah, the compact cassette. So let's bring in and let's turn on and see what I hear. This is for testing. Look at that, we have some mystery in my deck. Oh, nice. This is TDK. Oh, Maxo. Really nice. This is Ferro One now. Oh, need a little bit fix. Need a little bit clean mechanism. That's shit. Noise, shit. Now look at that under my fancy deck. This is my deck. JVC. So look at the detail. Nice. A counter reset. Not working. Oh, here is counter. Yeah, that was my MP3 of Young era. Let's play well. Input level. What is here? Record, pause, play, reverse. Michael Jackson. Audio is really dry. No bass. It's really dry. You make me feel. This is some Dolby. Oh, this is horrible. Much better. Dolby NR. Dolby noise reduction. I switch off. Much better. Where's stereo? Oh, much better. Oh, nice. It's no floating. Really nice. Oh yeah. Nice. Happy with that.